One beautiful factor in doing yoga is that it combines a balanced mixture of sustained poses and flowing postures. And once you have hit the mat, you are entirely able to liberate yourself from all the negative energies. I am currently in Vrikshasana that helps to improve your body-mind balance, works on your concentration and also helps to strengthen your legs. Hi, my name is Ratika Khandelwal. I am a certified yoga trainer and avid gardener and a health specialist. I have always been a follower of yoga since my schooling years, but never knew it was worthy to be pursued as a career. But now, after 6 years, when I experimented with various fields, I was unable to find that peace and satisfaction that sparked from yoga. Personally, yoga has not only improved my physical fitness, but it has worked wonders on my mental stability. It has structured my day into a proper routine, and I feel so much proactive nowadays. And I always say yoga is an experimental science. You can't feel it until you experience it. So if you want to experience the thrill of yoga, sign up for Skillizo 7 AM Club, where we will practice yoga together and makes our lives healthier each day. Hope to see you all on the mat.